Hello everyone, I'm Pukhraj and welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. We all love drinking smoothies, but what if I tell you you can eat a smoothie? Yes, today's recipe is a very interesting, healthy, tasty, vibrant and colorful smoothie bowl recipe. The name of the recipe is Berry Smoothie Bowl and it can be taken as a breakfast option or as a snack. But before moving on to the recipe, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes. So let's get started with the recipe. We need 1 cup frozen or fresh mixed berries, which include strawberries, blueberries and raspberries. You can take fresh also, but frozen works pretty well. 1 frozen banana, half cup thick curd or yogurt, 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 5 to 6 almonds and 1 teaspoon honey. For topping the smoothie bowl, I've taken bananas, strawberries, caramelized cashews, pumpkin seeds, mixed nuts and blueberries, but you can take any topping of your liking. So the recipe is very simple. In a blender jar, we'll add all the ingredients. A teaspoon of chia seeds, almonds, frozen banana, berries, a teaspoon of honey, milk, and finally yogurt. And now we're going to blend all these ingredients together. Now we'll pour the smoothie into a bowl. Look how thick and beautiful color it has. And we're going to top it with some strawberries, and some bananas, we'll add some blueberries. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can just add the ingredients as you like. Some pumpkin seeds. They give a very nice color to our smoothie bowl. Now I'll add some caramelized cashews. This will add a perfect crunch to the smoothie bowl. You can add almonds, walnuts, few chia seeds, and finally seed and nut mixture that I have. And our smoothie bowl is ready to eat. So you can see our delightful and so pretty pink smoothie bowl is ready to eat, and the toppings are giving it an extra kick. So I'm all ready to eat it now. You've got to definitely try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.